Hey guys, welcome for a new video. In this tutorial I will show you how to install and use the Apk Editor Pro without root, and also show you how to mod using the Apk Editor Pro. So stay to the end of this video. First of all, I will show you if my device is not rooting. So let's go and check on the root checker basic in app. Tap verify root. As you can see, my device is not rooted. So what you do now is to open the Zcaver. First, it download and install from Play Store if you have. But if you don't have, download it and install. But if you have, then let's go there. Go to Apk Editor file. Then tap on the Apk Editor Pro no root.7z. Make sure you download this APK file from the link below the first comment in the comment section. Now extract this, then install. Then after that of processing to install, then exit Zcaver. The second step is to click on the smali. You wait for it to decompress. Then after decompressing, go to the smali file. Then come, tap on it, then tap on the zombie, then root. Then now select racing. Then tap on the search button and then enter the code value and the HEX as a hexadecimal. You copy it. Which is 3E8. Then it will show you the result you search. Okay, now you need to do is to change the value from 3EH to 999 several times, but in the way of value hexadecimal before, you head over to a conversion calculator. In DSA, which is hexadecimal, you enter the number, they copy the hexadecimal code, which is double B 9A C 9 double F. They replace the percentage, they replace the base the value you copied, which is from 0 times 3EH to 0 times 3 B B 9A C 9 double F. They also remove this slash 16. Okay, so after they doing it, you click the icon save, then you go back, then tap on the tool icon and wait for it until it's done assembling and compressing the files. When it's done, uninstall the previous one of the game and install it. And now we have done this installing, you can open the game and enjoy. Okay, now as you can see, you have gained a lot of coins, like free unlimited coins, 9999 unlimited coins. So that's a lot of coins you have. You can now buy anything you choose and the one you like. So that's it. And then that's how to install and the mod using Apk Editor Pro mod your Android device and iOS. Even your computer can do the same, but you use it with the Android emulator before use. So always use the Apk Editor Pro for educational and for educational purpose and ethical only. So that's it. That's the end of the video for today. If you have any questions, thoughts or suggestions, you can write your comments in the comment section below, and then I'll reply you. I will reply you soon. And then click on the share button to share to your friends and the others. That's so that so that other people they can see it, and then let YouTube recommend the video to the more viewers. The more you share it, the more YouTube recommend to more people as more viewers or views. And then thank you guys so much for watching, and then I'll see you in the next upcoming one. Take care, be safe, and enjoy your day.